Phospholipids. Definition of phospholipids. Phospholipids are the major constituents of membranes and they contain a phosphate group in their structure. And they are of two classes, glycerophospholipids and sphingophospholipids. Glycerophospholipids. The alcohol of the glycerophospholipid is glycerol and they contain glycerol, fatty acid, phosphate and an additional chemical moiety. Examples are phosphatidic acid, phosphatidic choline, phosphatidylethanolamine, ethanolamine, phosphatidylserine and cardiolipin. Next one, phosphatidic acid. It contains a glycerol bound to two fatty acids at a position SN1 and SN2 and a phosphate group at a position SN3 by ester bond. Phosphatidic acid is an intermediate in the synthesis of triglycerols and the phosphoglycerols. Its quantity is small in these tissues. This is the structure of phosphatidic acid. Next one, phosphatidic choline. Beside the phosphatidic acid, lecithin contains the choline base. It is the most abundant phospholipid of the cell membranes. The choline base is found in the structure of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter. Mostly acid at SN1 position and unsaturated fatty acid at SN2 position, except dipalmethyl lecithin. The dipalmethyl lecithin is a major constituent of the surfactant. The surfactant prevents the adherence of the inner surface of the lung due to surface tension. It absents from the lung of premature infants and leads to a respiratory distress syndrome. In the nervous system of human, such as white matter of the brain, nerves and spinal cord. It plays a major role in membrane fusion and cell division. A similar common to phosphatidic ethanolamine with small structure difference is plasmalogen. Thus, they either link in position SN1 rather than ester bound in the case of phosphatidic ethanolamine. Plasmalogen constitutes approximately 10% of the phospholipids of brain and muscle. They protect the cell against reactive oxygen species. Plasmalogen with choline base rather than ethanolamine are found in the muscle and brain. These are the structures of phosphatidic ethanolamine and plasmalogen. Next one, phosphatidylserine. It is one of the major components of the cell membrane and its role is apoptosis. Apoptosis means programmed cell death. Next one, cardiolipin. It is known as a surfactant. It is found only in mitochondria and its essential function to its function. Decreased cardiolipin level, abnormal structure or metabolism is associated with aging, heart failure and hypothyroidism. And last one, sphingophospholipids. The second class of phospholipid is the sphingophospholipids and they are characterized by containing the amino alcohol in their structure. Sphingophospholipids are found in large quantities in the brain and the nerve tissues. The famous examples of sphingophospholipids include the sphingomyelins upon hydrolysis. Sphingomyelins are sphingosine, fatty acid, phosphoric acid and choline. The sphingosine and fatty acid also known as ceramide. Thank you.